Hello and welcome back to the Fast Lane. As you've probably seen from the title and the thumbnail, in today's video we're delving into the world of automotive detailing. Now there's no better car for me to do this on than my very own Audi TT. This is my first ever time trying to properly detail a car. Now to do this, I've got a whole load of different products that I've never used before. So I've got all the gear and no idea. Watch along to see if I can actually master detailing or not. Maybe you can give me some tips, and who knows, you might learn a thing or two yourself. So to start this detailing process off, I'm going to be using a citrus pre-wash. Now to my knowledge, this product is just to get the worst of the grit and grime off of the car so that you don't scratch it in the later steps of this video. So this is the car as it currently sits, and I have to say it's pretty good. It's got low mileage, the paint works pretty pristine all around the car, but the whole point of detailing is to take it to that next level. So to apply this pre-wash to the car, I have a Karcher K2 series jet wash, and to pair with it I have my foam cannon. This thing is going to give perfect coverage to the whole car. Turn the tap on. Let's get this pre-wash on the car.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
Look how good this looks, and this is literally just the pre-wash. Now, like I said, with detailing, it's taking it to that next level. So I've got a detailing brush and I'm going to work it into all the little nooks and crannies.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray.
Okay, that is the first stage complete. Now just to rinse it off and move on to stage 2. Okay, so next up I have a bucket with a grit guard in the bottom to stop any grit coming through. And then I have some Autoglim foaming car wash, just normal kind of car wash. So we're gonna go with that, and I've got a nice kind of microfiber slash, I don't know what you'd call this material, mitt that you put on your hand, and we're gonna try and clean off the worst bits. So now that stage 1 has taken the worst of it off, I can get my hands dirty and get the rest of this sparkling clean.
Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it.
Despite this car having such low mileage, there are still some chips in the paintwork. Please let me know down in the comments how I should go about fixing this.
I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
So to take it a step further, I'm going to be using the snow foam in the snow foam cannon, and this is the most satisfying thing you can ever watch. Watching the snow foam get applied to the car is just the best. We crank it up all the way basically, because we want this to be extra foamy. Lovely stuff. Look at that. Can't even tell it's a car anymore. It's just all foam. So like I did with the pre-wash, I'm going to agitate it with a detailing brush, leave it for a few minutes, then jet wash it off.
I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed.
Now, if you're like me, you'd get the car to this point and be like, I'm happy with that. That's good. But like I said, we're detailing the car. We're gonna keep taking it to the next level. So to do that, I have a wheel cleaner with a wheel brush to get rid of any brake dust or stubborn bits that are stuck on the wheels so that they can truly shine. Now it said apply it directly to the wheels and apply a large amount. I think I may have gone a little bit overboard, but at least we've definitely got plenty of product on there. So hopefully you can see that that has made a big difference to the wheels. Now just to repeat it on the other 3 wheels and get it looking perfect. With the wheels clean, I'm now going to be using a product I've never used before, but I've heard a lot of good things about. I'm going to try and use a clay bar. Now the idea of clay bars are that they're meant to take away any decontaminants that's still on the car, whether that's tar spots or any just really tough bits that don't want to come off. The clay bar should take them right off of the car. Okay, so first off, let me show you the bad bits on the car that I'm talking about. As you can see here, there's these kind of darker bits that just look a bit grubby and have all these little black spots, so we're trying to get rid of it. So using a clean bucket of water to keep the clay bar wet, I'm now going to painstakingly go around the whole entire car, cleaning every inch. Hopefully it makes a difference. I'll come back to this exact same spot on the car, and you can decide whether it's worth adding to your detailing kit. Now, I don't know if it's just me, but I think that clay bar has made a huge difference. Bearing in mind, this car has literally just been cleaned 3 times. Once with a pre-wash, once with a bucket and sponge, and even a 3rd time with a snow foam, and yet it still didn't come off. The only thing that got it off was one of these clay bars. Okay, so it's now actually the next day, and I don't know if you could tell in that previous clip, but the rain had started to come in, and so I just had to stop, and I've put it off till today. Okay, with the contaminants now removed from the car, it's the next step. I've got some super resin polish. This should help the car truly shine. Now, I can't lie, I really wish I had something better than this tiny applicator pad. I wish I had one of those big double-handed motorized ones that would do this twice as quick and to a better standard, but this is what we're working with. So let's just get this applied to the car as best as we can. Then I've got the next product, which I think you're definitely going to want to add to your detailing kit. So I actually forgot I was recording at this point, so this next clip is my genuine out of breath reaction to my efforts. That is the car polished. Jesus, it looks shiny. Now, I'm not sure if the camera really is doing it justice here, but this is the cleanest and shiniest I have ever got a car to look, and I'm very happy with the work. The next step to make sure all my hard work isn't in vain is this. I've only gone and got myself some rapid ceramic spray. So ceramic spray is this amazing invention that basically makes the whole car hydrophobic.
This is really cool. Let's try it. All right, water, ginger, which is apparently hydrophobic.
Jokes aside, let's get this applied to the car so that my hard work lasts just that little bit longer. Next up, I have an advanced plastic sealant. The idea of this product is to make all the plastic parts of the car look extra dark black, how they would have looked when it first came off the production line. Okay, just by spraying it on, giving it a quick wipe, and then taking off any of the excess, let's get this applied to the car and see if it makes any difference.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
And if we take a look back at the front, you can see it's now a lot darker. Now, hopefully this product works well and it keeps it looking this way for as long as possible. Okay, the very last thing now, basically the cherry on the top, is tyre shine. This is going to make the tyres look extra shiny and just set off the rest of the car. Let's get this on.
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
And with that, the car is fully detailed. Let me know down in the comments, did I do a good job? Is there anything else I could do to take it even further? But that is it for this video. Let's just enjoy the car. If you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos coming out on the channel.
I am fine. You're giving me